Maayong buntag. This is Jerry L. Tubigon, and today let us delve deeper into a topic that touches the heart and stomach of every Filipino. The bold promise of President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. to bring down the price of rice to 20 pesos per kilo. Rice is life in the Philippines. It is the staple food of millions of Filipinos and cornerstone of our meals and significant driver of our economy. That is why the President's vision for affordable rice resonates with many. Yet, as much as this vision requires hope, we must also temper our expectations and understand the reality behind achieving such goal. Let us first recognize that this promise is not something that can be fulfilled in just minutes, months, or even a year. Dili kini mahimo ug dali-dali. This requires time, strategic planning, and long-term solutions. The state of our agricultural system today reflects years of neglect, and reversing this trend demands systemic reforms, not quick fixes. One major challenge is our dependence on imported rice. About 10% of the rice we consume in the Philippines comes from other countries like Vietnam and Thailand. This resilience exposes us to global market fluctuations, which makes it hard to stabilize rice prices locally. Moreover, our local farmers face a host of issues: high production costs, lack of access to modern farming tools, inadequate irrigation, and limited government support. These problems hinder their productivity and keep the cost of locally produced rice high. The government is not blind to these challenges. In fact, programs like the Rice Competitiveness Enhancement Fund or RCEF and free irrigation services have been introduced to address them. These initiatives aim to lower production costs and increase the yield of our farmers. However, such efforts take time to bear fruit. Ang mga resulta dili makita dayon. Farmers need years of consistent support to transition to modern, more efficient farming methods. Another aspect to consider is inflation. Rising cost of fuel, transportation, and agricultural inputs directly impact the final price of rice. Although the government is working to stabilize inflation, these factors still create significant hurdles in achieving 20 pesos per kilo rice. But let us not lose hope. The promise of 20 pesos rice is not just a dream. It is a roadmap to pause for much needed reforms in the agricultural sector. If we can address these systemic issues in farming, empower our farmers through subsidies and fair pricing, and modernize our agricultural infrastructure, this goal becomes attainable. It may not happen overnight, but every step counts. We must also acknowledge that achieving this vision is not just about lowering prices. It is about balancing the needs of consumers and farmers. Kung mubarato ang bugas, we must ensure that our farmers are not left behind. They deserve fair compensation for their hard work and sacrifices. Strengthening the agricultural sector benefits everyone, not just in terms of cheaper rice, but also in creating more jobs, reducing poverty, and ensuring food security for the nation. For this promise to materialize, it requires not only the government's effort, but also the collective support of every Filipino. As citizens, we can contribute by supporting local farmers, being mindful of wastage, and advocating for policies that prioritize sustainable agriculture. The promise of 20 pesos rice remains a work in progress, a symbol of hope and determination to address the deep-seated issues in our agricultural system. While we wait for this promise to unfold, let us remain vigilant and supportive to the initiatives that pave the way toward a more food-secure Philippines. Remember, great change do not happen instantly, but with patience, hard work, and unity, we can achieve this vision together. This is Jerry L. Tubigon reminding everyone to stay hopeful and proactive. Padayon sa pagpaningkamot, alang sa mas maayong kaugmaon sa atong nasod. Daghang salamat.